Hey dear, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to fix TikTok missing icon. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to fix TikTok missing icon? First of all, you have to see that you are using the version that is updated or not. If it is not updated, then you have to go to your Play Store and update your app. If you have the updated app, then you have to click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner, click on settings and privacy. You can see here option of free up space. Clear all the cache that the missing apps will appear here and your app will be updated. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.